Factorials and divisibility together. Two mathematical kids from opposite sides of the tracks, they come together and fall in love, and they create this problem. Here we're asked for what numbers might divide some new number, 20 factorial plus 17. As a refresher, a factorial is simply the number times each integer below it. So in this case, 20 factorial is equal to 20 times 19 times 18, times 3 times 2 times 1. It's a huge number, and it's not at all possible to process in GMAT time. What we want to notice about any factorial is that it has as factors every number that it contains. So 20 factorial is divisible by 17, it's divisible by 15, it's divisible by 13, 9, 2, what have you, and any combination of them as well. When we're adding the 17 though, the GMAT is counting on the idea that we don't know what to do with it. And in fact, that's the entire difficulty of this problem. So I want you to imagine 20 factorial as a level. And we're going to take a look at this graphically. So 20 factorial can be comprised by stacking a whole bunch of 15s up, blocks of 15. And how many will there be? Well, 20 times 19 times 18 times 17 times 16 times 14 times all the way down the line. There will be that many 15s, but 20 factorial will be divisible by 15. Similarly, by 17, by 19, by any number, they will all stack, and they all stack up precisely to 20 factorial, because 20 factorial is divisible by any of them. So when we're adding 17 to our number, all we need to see is that, hey, 15 doesn't go into 17. It's not going to get all the way up there. 17 fits perfectly. 19, guess what? It's too big. And we're going to have a remainder. So our answer here is B, 2 only, 17. For other problems like this, other factorials and what have you, please check out the links below, and we will see you next time.